and welcome to another episode of eSchool Talks. This episode is going to be a little bit different than before because I'm going to try to record this whole episode on the new DJI Neo drone. So, in last episode, we had an in-motion climber that was a really absolutely brilliant scooter, a year and a half old, but like no problems at all. And we discovered that it actually supports a 5 amp fast charging. And after I finished that video, I decided to actually give a full charge to InMotion Climber, and we got with that charger actually 480 watt hour capacity, and the scooter did fully charge in 3.5 hours, not 3 hours that I expected. Okay, so today we have another super interesting scooter here. This is the first version of Xiaomi Pro electric scooter. So we're going to do, of course, a bit of a range test and check it out because this scooter is 5 years old. The battery manufacturing date is 2018, so it's going to be super interesting to actually check out the real battery capacity and range that we're going to get. Okay, so now we're going to test DJI follow option. And we're just gonna go around to see. I'm gonna be in eco mode, and hopefully I won't lose the drone. We're gonna go in a different directions just to see how well it's gonna work. I'll go slowly, 15 kilometers per hour, because I don't want to lose it today. How does this Xiaomi feel to ride after 5 years? Well, there is a bit of a squeaky noise coming out of the stem. That's kind of a normal thing on a Xiaomi on that old first version of their folding mechanism before they managed to upgrade it. So, but except for that, everything basically the same. If you had any of the Xiaomi scooters from Xiaomi M65 Pro, 1S, Pro 2, they're all pretty similar, almost the same, with a bit of a difference on the newer versions of Xiaomi that they have a mudguard support, and that's it. When it comes to off-roading, I don't think that I'll be able to do much in eco mode. Yeah, exactly now. Hill and eco mode doesn't work well. Uh, but let me try and get into sport mode. And this is a bit of a bigger hill. Okay, how does it handle? 8-9 kilometers per hour, 7-6. This is definitely part where I would usually get off the scooter before I fry a controller, but I'm not going to do that today. Now let's try and find a route where we don't have dogs and where we don't have pedestrians either. I did try to make this video a couple of times, and I did realize that the drone is actually struggling if there is not much of a sun, or if it's cloudy, because just the camera is not that great. But when it's sunny, hopefully this footage is gonna end up being pretty well, and it's not something that you can expect in the future. It's just me kind of trying to see, can this drone, if I would like to use just one small drone to do all my reviews in combination with the mic, could I do it? uh, I don't know, maybe on the Neo 2, maybe they're gonna bring more power, greater speeds, because it would be great if I could, for example, set it up to follow me on the side, not just behind me. But well, it is what it is now. In a low light is gonna be a little bit of a problem. Come on. It found me. Okay. Following me, it's actually doing pretty fine. Yeah, it managed to do this, no problem at all. But yeah, we're not going to be able to go here in eco mode, not at all. But okay, let's do one more kind of a hill test. As usually with the action camera, it's actually quite hard to show you how steep some hills are. Hope you're going to be able to see it better now. Okay, okay. Yay! I'm going to be actually in a sport mode, and let's check how much this drone can actually follow me. Hey, you lost me. There I am. Yeah, there. Okay, so we did a range test and we got impressive 28 kilometers on a full charge. I used to get something like that, probably a little bit more because I never completely fully drained the battery on Xiaomi Pro, but I decided yes, I want to check it out from 100% charge until it completely dies. Now, we're going to of course hook it up to charger and Acer, put it on charge and check the real life battery capacity and check how much did this battery degrade over 5 years time. Looking at this scooter, you can see that the scooter looks almost like a brand new, because this scooter, even that it's 5 years old, it has only 550 kilometers, and regarding chargers, it has like under 20 full chargers and under 50 partial chargers. But it's still a 5 years old battery, so it's going to be really interesting to see that, because it can be a good reference how good or bad is to buy actually a pretty old scooter. I'm probably not going to be able to release that in this video, so I'm going to share that info with you in the coming videos. Regarding this scooter, like this was the first version after Xiaomi M365, where Xiaomi decided to bring kind of the most common thing that people were doing then to M365 to upgrade it. So we got a bigger battery because on M365 Pro, lots of people wanted more range and they used to add spare batteries here, and also lots of people are making custom displays to actually display a mileage, the actual speed. So Xiaomi decided to bring display. Okay, Neo is really struggling with the wind, so I'm gonna wrap it out here. Oh yeah, one more thing, and the battery in this scooter was coming with an aluminum casing that was good to prevent the water damage, but when it comes to repairs, it was making your life a little bit harder. So DJI Neo is really struggling. I'm going to wrap it out here. Guys, till next time, please stay safe out there and respect other road users. Bye bye.